Just a quick forward. This video is brought to you by Spider-Farmer and the SF1000. I use these lights to take most of my seedlings through propagation. Links in the description to where you can purchase, and there's also a discount code so that you can get 3% off the purchase price. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Hoochos. It's been a while since I've done an NFT video, and we're back. So, today we're going to take seedlings from here to here. In my last video, which was the DWC system setup, I took you through how to move from seed to propagator system and run you through a little bit of the nitty-gritty that helps you to optimize that system. But today, I'm going to take you from the product of that system through to the rail of your NFT. So, first, you've got to let the plants grow. There you have it. Perfectly healthy seedlings ready to be transplanted over into our NFT system. The roots on these guys are phenomenal. And I put that down to having the water level a lot lower and the bubbles splashing up onto the roots. I actually, when I put these in, I quoted 2.4 EC. Now that was too high. I actually got tip burn on some of my seedlings. Now, this is because these are mostly leafy greens. I really should have had that EC down at about 1.6 to 1.8. I completely forgot how sensitive plants are in a DWC environment, deep water culture environment, and I burnt the tips of the leaves. NFT is very resilient to EC swings, so I'm used to having pretty much all my nutrient at 2.4 EC, which is a fruiting plant EC. And in that environment, in the NFT environment, your leafy greens, they don't mind being in a higher EC in an NFT system, I've found anyway. So when you're setting up the propagator, just make sure the EC is the correct EC for the species of plant that you're growing. All right, let's go set up our NFT channel ready to accept these seedlings, and then we can start planting. So it's a pretty simple setup for me to reconnect my system as it's already running. All I'm going to do is reconnect the pipes, put in my feeders, turn them on, and now the channels are ready to receive our seedlings. Now, because it's so hot out at the moment, it's about 32 degrees, and I do not recommend transplanting in such heat, but it's the only time I can film. I'm going to be transporting them outside with the roots in water so that the roots don't dry out, and I can take them straight out and put them straight into the NFT nutrient solution. So, bowl of water, take out your seedlings, like that, and look at those roots. Like, they're perfect for transplanting over. And we'll just pop them straight into our bowl, and that keeps everything nice and hydrated. And we can just walk them straight out, put them in new pucks, and drop them in our system. Uh, oh, look at that one. Now, I'm not exactly sure how this happened, but I thought I was planting cos lettuce and cabbage. Now, this is pak choi. I'm pretty sure I got the seed packets mixed up, like the interior part of the seed packets. Uh, but you'll just have to forgive me. We're now planting cos and pak choi, which is fine. I love pak choi. So yeah, it's just as simple as that. Doesn't get more simple. I love this system. There you have it. That's how you take your seedlings from your DWC park propagator all the way to your NFT rail. Now I'm going to set up a time-lapse camera on these plants and we'll see how they grow. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Hoochos.